Hi, this is Alice at Whitetail Acres Tree Farm in Brookville, Indiana. It's a nice Saturday and we've got a lot going on. We have reindeer in the reindeer pen, and we've got kids playing with our snowman. We've got a fire going on. We've even got our puppies in the pen. There's lots of people out here enjoying the day. Got a hayride going out already. Here's Anna, one of our little employees. She helps me make the wreaths and decorate them. Anna, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Merry Christmas, Anna. It's a great day out here. We always have fun with our customers. And we've got customers that have been coming back to us year after year for, I think, maybe 16 years we've been in business. So stop out and see us. Have a Merry Christmas. Can't ask for a better job. Life on a Christmas tree farm doesn't get any better than this. Oh look, got a little furry friend. And there's one of mine. Merry Christmas.